How to draw guidelines in Photoshop. So the easiest way to do this is go over to the rulers on the top, you see them there, and the top side on the left hand side of the page. Click on them and drag in the line. You see there's one. Now I'll drag one in from the top. There's another one. So that is the easiest way to use your guidelines. Another way to do them where you can give them an exact coordinate in relation to your canvas size. So currently my canvas size is 1280 across, 1280 width by 720 high, and this 0 on the ruler starts at your canvas. So if we go to view in the top bar, now click new guide, and if we draw I want a horizontal line at 10 pixels, it's going to come up here just at we'll do it at the 50 pixel mark because we have a line there on the ruler for that. And a line will come in exactly drawn there, so along the 50 pixel mark. So that is probably, if you need more exact guidelines, that's probably a better way to do it, but either or. And last but not least, to get rid of your guidelines, click on them and you can see your cursor change, and you just drag them out of the map. You need to drag them all the way over back across to the ruler or off the vision of your screen, and that will get rid of them. So I'm just going to zoom out now, and you can see that they are actually definitely gone. So there you can see I've zoomed out now and the guidelines have gone.